Good day everyone, I am Creative Dami. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I help brands and businesses build a strong online presence and communicate strategically to their audience through impactful designs.
Nice one.
In this video, I'm going to put you through the process of creating your own portfolio website using Canva. Pay attention because we are using the free version, so the portfolio website is going to be at .canva.site. So yeah, let's go. The first step is to open the mobile app, software or website depending on what way you are designing or editing. For this video, I'll be using the mobile app. I searched for portfolio in the search bar and found quite a number of templates. After scrolling through, I spotted one that matched my pattern of aesthetics and brand's voice. I don't suggest you go for any random one because this is something you show in order to get hired by a company or a potential client. So you need to be as professional and creative as you can in relation to what you do. As you can see in this video, I'm editing the colors to match the ones from my personal brand. That's what I mean when I say it must be structured to match your brand's voice and feel. Let's continue our editing process. The table of contents page contains all the pages of your portfolio. So edit it to suit who you are and what you offer. For every introduction, be it portfolio or not, as long as you are not being seen physically, your image is a necessity. I've been in situations where I was asked by the hiring company to attach the CEO's image on every slide for a conference presentation. Interesting, right? The idea was to ensure that as the slides kept scrolling, the viewers kept seeing that one individual. That was a very solid marketing strategy I got to learn at the end of the day. Now, education, which isn't always necessary but could play a part if you studied a course related to your work. Professional skills is where the magic begins to happen. This is the page where you show what tools you use and what your level of workability. In my opinion, a section like this is 30% of your portfolio. I would have said 50%, but other important sections make up a standard portfolio. Work experience is where one's level of professional authority comes out. People need to know how long you've been in the industry and how long you've been working on projects and what values you've attached in your previous works. This section builds trust, especially since it's being combined with your professional skills. The project portfolio page is a showcase of works done. This follows up from your skills and work experience in the previous pages. The My Project page. This is an optional page meant only if you are showcasing any current work you are yet to conclude or your most recent work. You can scrub off this page as what all hiring companies and clients really need is your main works from your project portfolio page. Let's work together. Exception of your contact info is a huge error. This is your call to action page, and without it, your portfolio is in trouble. A wise creative once said, "A digital service offered or posted without a call to action just failed to complete its task." Your work can convert, it can pass the message across, but without that CTA, the viewers have nothing to do from there. That is one of the major reasons your social media posts are being ignored and you don't even realize it. I hope you learn from this and take action today. And finally, the thank you page. Not many people eventually scroll to this part of your portfolio, but for the few who do, it's strategic to acknowledge their efforts. So here's the 10-page portfolio made in Canva. And now we export as both documents and websites. I love two variations normally. Oh, I made an error at the start of the video, as you already know. It's not .canva.site, it's .my.canva.site, so that's the correct thing. Anyways, here's the final result of our designing and editing process. And finally, this template was done on the free version of Canva. You can go ahead and host your own domain name on the platform, but you have to use the paid version of it to be able to access that feature. But tell me what you think about this video in the comment section below. I'll meet you there. Bye for now.